Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Rebirthing My Hair. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I achieve this natural hairstyle using little to no manipulation. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know when I upload new videos. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is moisturizing my hair with this hair oil combination that I made. I have a video on that. I will link that in the description below. Hopefully you guys will go check it out. Next, I sectioned my hair into the desired sections that I wanted. So I was going for triangle looks. For some odd reason, when I do triangle looks, it just makes it look like I put some thought and effort into it. But really, honestly, it's very simple and easy, like any other part. Okay, after sectioning the hair, I then go in and braid, aka plait the hair, and connect it until it all looks like it is an illusion of one braid going down on the side. Okay, so after completing this hairstyle, I just knew for a fact that I couldn't just let it go and be plain Jane, so I added some of those gold beads on there. These gold beads actually honestly make any hairstyle go from looking like a 10 to a whole 100. I love those hair accessories. And then after I do that, I then go in and I fix and tame my edges. And that is all. I fluff it out, and that's my hairstyle. I loved it. I got so many compliments on it. And honestly, it's probably my favorite hairstyle that I've done on my hair since my hair's grown out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.